Namaskar. I am Rohit Mane, scientist and writer. You are watching Scientists Are Academy Towards Scientific World. Actually, in this lecture, not lecture, actually, I would like to share one good news with all my subscribers and the viewers that my two new books got published with the Kalyani publishers. So these are my two new books published with Kalyani Publishers. First book is Industrial Microbiology and another book is a Food and Environmental Microbiology. So first we'll see one by one. First we'll see Industrial Microbiology. So Industrial Microbiology, see the cover page, it's so decent, scientific and attractive cover page book is having. So Industrial Microbiology by Rohit Shankar Mane and published by the Kalyani publisher. And back cover page is about author. My photo is here and my information is here, that is biodata. Okay, so Industrial Microbiology book, when we open it, the first page will be the title and the author name and publisher name. Then copyright page is here, then preface is here. After preface, you will get the content. Now see, Industrial Microbiology, this book is for most preference is for the BSc students, but MSc students also can refer this Industrial Microbiology book for their exam studies and for their studies. Okay, so BSc, the Industrial Microbiology book content is mostly the book highlights the industrial microbiology introduction, where the history is there, features of industrial microbiology, how industrial microbiology evolved day by day, what are the industrially important microorganisms, how to choose them, how to select them, what is the bacterial structure, screening and strain development, what are metabolites like primary and secondary metabolites of the bacteria, what is the nutrition, what is the microbial growth and preservation of microorganisms is explained in the first unit. Second unit is about the fermentation and downstream processing. Now see, in the industrial microbiology, fermentation or and the downstream processing is very important. So that's what the second unit is fully dedicated for the fermentation concept, discovery, fermenter, its parts and functions, type of fermenters, types of fermentation processes, fermentation media, and downstream processing in detail. Third unit is about the industrially important amino acids and enzymes. Now here I have explained about the basics of amino acids, what are the importance of amino acids, how we can produce amino acids at industrial scale, and the enzymes also. Different enzymes I have explained, protocols I have given for the industrial production of enzymes. And at last, I explained about the immobilization of enzymes, how we can do, what are the different methods, what are the applications of immobilization enzymes. I explained here. Fourth unit is about the microbial production of industrial products. Now for BSc, these four important products are there. That is citric acid, ethanol, penicillin, glutamic acid, and vitamin B12. I explained in the detail. Now last unit is about the bioreactors, kinetics, and their sterilization. So in this unit, I explained about the what is bioreactor, how they evolved, what is the design of bioreactor, parts of bioreactor, types of bioreactors, sterilization of bioreactors, aeration, agitation, and its kinetics of bioreactors I have explained here, because bioreactors are most important in the industrial microbiology in the industry. That's what I have explained in detail about the bioreactors and the further reading and the glossary. So this is the my most important and my most favorite subject and topic. That's what I have written this book for the Kalyani publishers, New Delhi, India. So this book is very important for the BSc and MSc microbiology students. Those students are studying industrial microbiology or microbiology, they can purchase this book. The book price is only 175. So this is too much cheap book, because if you see other books related to this topic, the book price is around 700, 800, 1000, 2000 like that. So this book price is very low, that is 175. You can purchase this book from the Kalyani publishers website, or you can comment in my video, so I'll help you to purchase this book. So this book total pages are there like see 170 pages are there, total pages. See, the book length is very minimum. So yeah, so industrial microbiology. So my second book is food and environmental microbiology. Same book. This book is for BSc microbiology and MSc microbiology students. This book is also published by the Kalyani Publishers, New Delhi, India. And this is the cover page. This is also so decent, effective, attractive and scientific cover page. And back page we can see like about author, like my information is here and my photo is here. If you open first page, then here the book title and author name and the publisher name, and next copyright page is here, and then the preface. After preface you will find the content. Okay, so see, the content in the food and environmental microbiology book is totally related to the food microbiology and environmental microbiology. So first unit is about the fermented food. So in this unit I have explained about the what are the fermented foods, what is the fermentation process, how they evolved, what are the health aspects of fermented food. And fermented vegetables I have explained like sauerkraut, their history, production, importance of sauerkraut. Then pickles I have explained like history, production, how we can do the production and importance. I have given with the protocols. I have given protocols for each and every production of vegetables and all that stuff. Idli also I explained with history. Then production protocol is given for the production, and then importance, and the pictorial presentation is also there to explain or to understand the production. So this is the first unit where I explained about the fermented foods. Second unit is about the dairy microbiology. Now in dairy microbiology, what I explained like introduction to dairy microbiology. What is dairy microbiology? How we can study the dairy microbiology. What is the milk? Definition of milk, characteristics of milk, importance of milk, milk composition, significance of microorganisms in milk, microbial products of milk, microorganisms as a food. I explained in the dairy microbiology. Third unit is about the food spoilage and food poisoning, okay, by microorganisms. So here I explained in detail that what is food poisoning, what is food spoilage, and what is food spoilage scenario in India, different types of food spoilages, microbes involved in the food spoilage, chemicals involved in the food spoilage, and after food spoilage, what are the changes going to happen, that physiochemical changes, chemical changes, biochemical changes, biological changes, food poisoning. I explained in detail with respect to mycotoxins. What are mycotoxins? What are the types of mycotoxins? How they are produced? What are the importance and hazardous that points I explained in here. Food preservation methods I explained. Food quality importance and functions. Food quality assessment and enumeration of spoilage of microorganisms and detection of pathogens in food. Now detection of pathogens in food, this is very important because nowadays what happens now, if you want to study the food testing and all that stuff, so this is required. That's what this topic we have involved. Fourth unit is like air microbiology. Here I have explained about the air microbiology. What is air? What is the relation between the air and microbes? How microorganisms are staying in the environment, and different types of microorganisms I have explained here, and what are the airborne diseases, how you can cure them, explained here. Fifth unit is like water microbiology. Now here, what is water? What is the relation between the water and microorganisms? What are the different types of microorganisms present in the water? Sanitary quality of water I explained here. Waterborne diseases I explained here. Water pollution due to degradation of organic matter. Nowadays organic matter is very important and very harmful also for the pollution, water pollution. So that point I explained in detail with graphical presentation, diagrammatic presentation. Then sewage water treatment is very important. I explained in the detail like primary sewage, secondary sewage. Then treatments I explained, anaerobic, aerobic. Now if you see the treatments, 104 pages there. So see the treatments I have explained, no, sewage water treatment I have explained, like primary treatment, secondary treatment, no, explained in detail. And if you see the pictorial explanation is also here for this sewage treatment. Actually, pictorial explanation is for every each and every point I have given. See, trickling filter I have explained in detail with pictorial explanation. Then activated sludge is here. Okay, then how we can remove the nitrate phosphates, that is tertiary treatment I explained. And next unit is soil microbiology. In soil microbiology I explained about what is soil, soil properties, soil microorganisms, soil fertility and microorganisms, what is the role of microorganisms in soil, no, methods of enumeration and activity of microbes in soil, and microbes and plant interaction I explained, like rhizosphere I explained here. Okay, I explained here phylosphere and different microorganisms in the soil, and what are the benefits of microorganism to the soil, that also I explained. Next unit, that is environmental microbiology. So here I have explained about the environmental microbiology. What is environmental microbiology and what is the relation between the microorganisms and the environment? And then I explained about the bioremediation, like you can see definition of bioremediation, types of bioremediation in detail I explained. Then microorganisms used in the bioremediation, applications, advantage of bioremediation, no. Then microbial degradation of organic pollutants I explained in detail. You can see the microbial organic pollutants, types of organic pollutants, how microbes can degrade them with pictorial explanation. Then types of microorganisms involved in the degradation, bioremediation. Then different cycles I explained, like nitrogen cycle is there with pictorial explanation, carbon cycle is there. Okay, so this is all about the environmental microbiology. And afterwards you can find the further readings and the glossary. So this is very important book for the food and environmental microbiology students. So, and this book price is only 160 rupees. 160 rupees, very cheap price, because you can find, no, online you can find different books on the same topic, but the price is very high, like very high, so we can't purchase that. So this book is very good in the knowledge, and see the cover page and back page is very good one. Scientific view is there, and the price, most important, the price, that is 160 rupees. So these two books of mine published by the Kalyani Publishers, New Delhi. If you want to purchase these books, you can comment. I can help you to get these books. Otherwise, you can purchase these books from the Kalyani Publishers website. Okay. So thanks a lot, Kalyani Publishers, for giving me this opportunity to work with you. Looking forward for more opportunities. Okay. Thanks a lot.